It's July 4th, everybody! How's everybody doing? Alright, I was trying to get some things on, but happy July 4th, you guys! I don't know who's going to join me on today, because I know maybe you guys are having a holiday, maybe a little bit of a barbecue, maybe you don't have something ready to wear. Maybe we will throw something together here today of what you guys can wear for July 4th. Hello everybody, welcome. If you are new, welcome. This show is a little show for inspiration, motivation, and whatever is trending here in the bead life. So welcome to Bead With Me. If you are new, please say hello even on the replay, because I love knowing where you guys are coming in from, how you found me, what you like to play with, because the show is made for you. And today I am super excited because we got a box opening day today. I got some goodies and I started going through them, but I thought, you know, I always like you guys to get in on the excitement too. I know there's plenty of celebrations, and you know what? We're celebrating a new box here today. So I hope you guys can join me, have a little bit of fun, and if you guys like what I'm sporting, we'll take a look a little closer at the construction, as well as these are the kind of things we're going to be seeing in this box. So if you guys are familiar with Miss Lora Lunsford, she popped up and said, hey, I got some goodies coming to you. And so I am super excited, just like you, and I literally have no idea what is in my box other than like the dozen things I've taken out, and you can expect probably at least over, I don't know, at least over 50 pendants. She oftentimes sends us, you know, between 50 and 100 each time. You never know how busy she is, and she's sharing a little bit of her joy here with us, and so we are super excited to get a chance to see it here today. So so if you guys have not seen her stuff, get ready, because her stuff is beautiful, amazing, and you know, she knows that we like the good stuff. And so the first things that I opened, do you guys want to know? Look at this guy. Look how gorgeous that piece of Larimar is, you guys. Beautiful. Look at that. So we're going to be seeing some good sizing. She's had these big rings on there, and so I'll show a little bit of how mine was done and how I kind of like filled it in. This is kind of my my one that I had sent her some crystals, because she's oftentimes doing gemstones, and I wanted her to use a little bit of a crystal, and so this is one that she had gotten together for me, and so I've designed it. And of course, Pearl Month, had to throw in a little pearl for my son, and so let's take a look and see what's on Kay's table while I say hello. I know that I'm sure there's going to be busy people and probably catching us here on the replay, but I still wanted to hop on because, you know, even if it's a holiday, you know you need a beading break. Not everybody's all about the fireworks, right? Like, although my son and we got a bunch of fireworks. You'll see that it was posted in the group. But he actually doesn't like loud noises, so we tend to try to go for the ones that have a lot of sparkle, because you know that's what I like too, and not a lot of boom, you know. So make sure you guys are mindful. I know, you know, there's a lot of animals out there. We ourselves have one too, so we try to, you know, just be mindful, you know, but have fun, play safe, and have a lot of color in the night here tonight. But let us show you what... and if you guys haven't been checking out, remember our pearl sale that I've got going on. So you guys need to make sure you guys are seeing the big hole crystals, the pearls that were shown off. Let's see, I'm trying to get this. Why is this? the big hole crystals that were available, the pearls that were available, because it was all 30% off. We did big hole crystals, pearls, gemstones. We did chain. So you could get some of this chain if you guys liked it. We also had, you know, the snake chain like this, and then the chain like I'm wearing. So, so catch the replay. There's a post on that. I'm going to shift this over. Okay, you guys, I am so excited. Look at this box. I think I'm going to have to make this a little taller here, because I can't get it all in the screen here, because it's awful fun. So you guys can kind of like feel what it feels like when I get a box opening. So let's take a look at some of the ones that I just got in. So she oftentimes will take some chandelier parts. Look how fabulous those are. Oh, and this is the last one I had just opened literally right before I came on with you guys here. But you can see how gorgeous that fluorite is. This is the one I just showed you guys, but on screen, so you guys can see how much bigger this one is. A little bit gargantuan, but I just love it. Jonah just absolutely loved this one. He just straight said, that looks like the ocean, Mom. Right? You guys familiar with Larimar? Hello, Miss Barbara and Julie and Emily and Carrie and Janelda and Susan. Oh, you just came back from your horse camp? It was hot weather. Hello, Miss Spidey Samps. Over in Northern California. Hello, Miss Karen. How are you doing this afternoon? Hello, Miss Sherry. Oh, perfect time to cool in from outside from weeding the garden. Oh, Jermaine, are you a collector of some of these Lora Lunsford pendants? Hey, Barb, how's it going? Heading to a block party? Oh, I loved you sharing the fireworks with us. Janelda, yes, you can still get more drawer pulls. I still think I have some more, so maybe send me a little message and I'll add them to your stash. And no, I only have one animal. Emily, just Ivan right now. But, you know, my mom has the dog, and... All right, wanted to say my hellos. Okay, so see, these are some of the ones that I've just opened. So look at this. You know, I've told her I really like the high-end, you know, really gemmy gemstones. And I love the, you know, organic and roughness of these, just like the earth that it comes from. You know, so she's picked out some gorgeous gemstones, like some charoite, some chrysocolla. So these are some of the things you can be expecting. And I thought maybe we could just open up a few more. What do you guys think? Like that. I love this is getting to open the package first thing. This one I can kind of see a little bit through, and these I think are like those jars. And I had to keep one of these. Like I just had to have one of these in here. Where is it actually? Oh, here. I even have it right here on the table. Look at that. Of course, you can put anything in there. You know, I was putting beads, but I just love the jar. But you know, we spend time opening each and every one. We'll get a chance to look over these on Friday Night Live. This is a nice black rutilated quartz. So if you guys like what you guys are seeing, if you want one, please. If you guys are going to want anything that you guys are seeing box opening, this is just a teaser. So this is for those that are catching me here on 4th of July. You guys get a chance to see what you guys will be seeing this Friday. Okay? Oh my goodness. What is this? Sorry, I'm just like holding this. There's like, it's like it was meant to be that way. Let me see what this tag says. It's a vintage Swarovski. Look at that. Hot diggity. All right. I wonder if there's any other ones in here. Uh-oh. I don't remember seeing a Swarovski that looks like that. Oh, she's also known to take chandelier components and parts and put them into pendants. Oh my gosh, you guys we're going to be in the race to get that on Friday. You know, these are one of a kind. So these are, you know, artisan done. Sometimes we have multiples, sometimes we don't. That's kind of part of the show. That's why you catch the Bead With Me's here, because you never know what you're going to be seeing. You know, sometimes we will get a chance to meet the artist, which we have met Lora Lunsford. If you want to get a chance to see her, meet her, you can type in Lora or Lunsford into the search engine in our you know, Facebook page, and it will bring up some of her videos of anything that I use some of her things with. You got, I think this is another one. Yep, another vintage Swarovski. Look at that. You know, I love that. And look how that ring is going through. She's got some nice, good, sturdy rings on here. So, okay, so these, oh my God. You guys. So, because I know some of these things are like, the things that I bring onto the show are not always cheap, and so to like throw them in on a sale and just be like, here, you know, here, $100 item, like I want you guys to get a chance to like see them, like dream about them, and you know, look through your stash. You know, that's what you always wish you could do at like a bead show, right? Oh my gosh, but look at these ones. And you know, she's never sent these before. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that shell, you guys. And so that's what we kind of do here during the week, is kind of investigate, kind of see the things that are popping and how to mess with them. And Julie says that Laura's pieces are like crack. They're so addicting, aren't they? And it's just like every time she sends us a box, I'm you know, like there might be a few, but that I recognize, but it's because I've kept them, you know. And then she sends us different ones each and every time. So I love it, and you know, she loves hearing from you guys. So like with your votes here on the show, you know, I let her know. I say, hey, you know, Lora, they're looking for this, that, and the other. You know, I told her I needed some more of those jars, and you know, she at least sent us a few of those jars. So, so I thought I'd just do a quick little box opening of a few of the things, so you can anticipate some of the things that you may be seeing here this Friday night, and get prepared. You know. I mean, I'm not going to do the whole box because we do need to leave a few surprises. But oftentimes, like I said, look at this one. All right, so this is a little bit like one that I have on, and I just wanted to kind of show how I put mine together, just in case you decide to get one. And you know, I love how she puts these big rings on here on the attachments. You'll see. I feel like that's kind of like a little bit of a signature. So this is a fantastic quartz with a ruby, okay, stuck in there. Mine, I had a Swarovski. But a few months ago, we had the metal man in town, and I really remember I was after a moon shape, and you know, this is what I used it for. So you can certainly fill in a little bit of this spacing right here. So if you get some of these large pendants of Laura's and you see, oh, you know, that's cut. Yeah, I'm not really exactly sure what to do there. Now I've just attached this onto this, some of this nice, you know, inexpensive but large link chain is what I wore it with, or what I chose to put with it. If you like any of the chain, remember we did that this last Friday Night Live, and the sale is good through today, and it's all 30% off. So if you have no idea what the big sale is, 30% off of the last 2 Friday Night Lives. off of everything. So that was on the Edisons, on the Baroques, on the baby Baroques, on the regular Baroques, on the Tahitians, on the golden South Seas, on the shell pearls, on the crystals, on, you know, and even the chain here. So get in on those Friday night lives. So if you want to not miss out, you have 2 Friday night lives to hit. So you can join the Star Special Stash group or scroll down on the Stars Beads main Facebook page, and you're going to see the links to those lives. Okay. But here I just wanted to show that you can kind of, you know, fill this in with anything. So I actually took her ring, I attached this one here so that when I attach the chain, it would make it sit to the front so it would swing easier. Now you could also take two things here and attach and do something different in the center. But this is showing an example of a design that you can do that fills in the hole, and then keeping it simple, because you know her pieces are oftentimes pretty substantial, and you really want to be able to show those babies off. So to give you an idea of like how big that one shell was that we just looked at, this is what I was wearing, which is pretty good size. Okay, this is what I'm showing you. Also, that gives you an idea of like how big that Larimar piece is, kind of similar in size to like what I was wearing. So it would totally be cute with leather lace. All right, so I'm trying to move slow, so hopefully you guys can see them. But oftentimes I will try to take a few pictures so you guys can get an idea of the quality and what we are looking at. And you have company coming in on Friday, and you have a show Saturday morning. Well, it looks like you're going to have to pull an all-nighter. Gonna feel like you turned 21 again. Right, Janelda? Oh no, that's not good. You're always so good at making all of them too. Oh, now it's my phone case. Now it's not just my phone holder, it's my phone case. If only you guys could see, it's like ghetto style over here. It's like I need to like have tape right there. We're just gonna angle over here. That's how it works. All right, you guys, fantastic 4th of July. Thanks so much for joining me as always. I just, you know, always have to have a little bit of a beading break. So I know it's the holidays, but, you know, and I know everybody's hopping over to a barbecue just like me. So gotta head on over, but it's been pouring rain all day here. So at least that'll keep things safe for anything that is being put up into the air. Although ours is going to be a little bit quieter. Pretty sparkly, but kind of quiet. All right, you guys, have a great 4th of July. I will see you guys here on Wednesday for another Bead With Me, and then we will pop on for Friday Night Live, okay? You guys have a great week, and we will see you guys soon. Thanks so much.